Hello everyone, today we've got a very special unboxing. We have the Tomica number 54, the Honda Civic Type R FD2. What's so special about this is that over the years this has become one of the rarest and most expensive mainline Tomicas ever produced, especially the made in Vietnam version. I'm very lucky that after 5 years of searching I finally got one sealed. These go for about 100 to 200 US dollars on eBay. Let's find out if it's worth it. I'm just gonna open the seal. I just broke away the seal. I'm gonna open this in front of you guys. There it is in all its glory. This is the made in Vietnam version, and the hood pops up. Let me just, there you go. So yeah, this is it. I still can't believe I finally got this. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow up with some shots, and that's it for today.